So guys, once you're on this screen, for the first step, you want to select Shift and F10 on your keyboard at the same time. Shift and F10, which will now pull up the command prompt. And now once you're on this, you want to type in disk part and then click on enter. And now you want to type in list space disk and then click on enter again. Now you want to type in select space disk space, and now the disk that you want to install Windows on. For me, I've only got one disk, so I'm going to type in select disk 0. In your case, you might have more disks. You want to type in the disk number on which you want to install Windows on. You're going to know which disk is which by the size. In my case, I'm going to type in select disk 0 and then click on enter. And now you want to type in clean and then click on enter again. And we can now close out of this. And now you want to click on refresh. Now once that's been refreshed, you want to click on next. And you can now continue on with the Windows installation. That's how you do it.